This is my dog now. When I first got him, he was not this big. You can see the definition of his body is starting to form. This is from Bully Max food. Also, other food that we serve to him is water. And you see that he actually is enjoying this. I've also mixed some of his hard food with some of the soft food concoctions that I've made for him. If you want your dog to get big, you have to feed him the proper food. And also, you have to treat your dogs just like you do humans. They have to eat something that's tasteful to them and, that's going to be something that they like. Isn't that right, Rocky? Yes, it is, Rocky. That's a good boy. Daddy's baby's going to eat. I believe that if you treat your dogs how you would want to be treated, good things come out to you. And, like they have the one saying, happy wife, happy life. Happy dog. He looks after you all. You clearly see that I'm holding the leash. I can drop that now because he's occupied with eating right now. He's not going to go far off the leash. I'm going to pick it back up because we do have deer around my area, so I don't want him to run off if he was to see one. And my good pal Rocky, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yes, buddy. Down. Good boy. Some people would mistake Rocky as a pit bull, but he actually is not. He is an American Staffordshire Terrier. Come here, buddy. Come here, Rock. Good boy. You gonna finish eating? We're already on the second part of this video at 3 minutes and 55 seconds. I like to make sure he's good and full. That way, I know for a fact that my buddy is taken care of. Oh, come on, Rocky. Come on, buddy. Go eat. Go ahead and eat, buddy. Go ahead and eat, Rocky. Go ahead and eat, buddy. That daddy's good boy. Now, Rocky's food, the rest of the food that he doesn't eat, will go into the refrigerator so that way that it stays fresh. And then when he's hungry later, he can eat the rest of it. Come here, Rocky. Good boy. Good boy. I train him. Every day I mess with him, teach him different commands or refresh his memory with commands. Come here, Rocky. Come here, buddy. Come here, daddy, baby. Come here. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Up. Sit. Down. Down. Sit. Sit. Sit, Rocky. Up. Sit. Sit. Good boy, Paul. Good boy. Other paw. Good boy. Good boy, Rocky. Other paw. Okay. Other paw. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. That's daddy's good baby. Yes, you are. Rocky is about 8 or 9 months old now. He was 7 months old when I got him. He's a great dog. He's a great family member. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boy, Rocky. Down. You're a good boy. Well, let's get that some around you. There you go. Good boy. Down. Down. Come on. Here. Want something to eat? Eat. Go ahead and eat. Want some water? Want water? Here. Come on. Let's see, I have 2 protein nuggets in there. You at least have to eat one right now. Which you will. Here, Rocky. Here, Rock. Come here. Here you go. Rocky. Here, buddy. Huh. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Come on. Come on, Rock. Come on. Come on. Up. Get it. Get it. He didn't pick it up. He usually does. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Come on, Rock. Come on. Look. Well, that's a little bit of Rocky for the day, and we're going to be out ending this video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Please help us get as many likes and subscribers as we can. Also, share the video with you all's friends and family members to watch. And check us out. We'll be back with more videos. Thank you.